In this video, we will learn how to increase height in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have our image. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Go to Select, choose Subject. As we have to increase the height of the girl, so we will deselect the boy. From the toolbar, select Rectangular Marquee tool. Press Alt or Option to make a negative selection around the boy. Now duplicate the selected layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Press Ctrl or Command and click on the thumbnail to make the selection active. Click on Layer 1. Go to Select, Modify and Expand. Expand it by 15 pixels and hit OK. Right-click and choose Fill. With the content aware selected, hit OK. As you can see, the girl is removed from here. But don't worry about the mess. Now with top layer selected, again press Ctrl or Command and click on the thumbnail to make the selection active. From the toolbar, select the Content Aware Move tool. Press Ctrl or Command plus T and increase the height of the girl. Adjust it. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect it. And here's the before and after. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.